Yeah, I stopped expecting help. Right around the time it started coming with terms and conditions. No handouts, I don't wait on a save. Seen what it costs when you trust what they gave. Built it myself, I don't borrow the base. If it breaks, it's mine, I don't shift the blame. Used to think support meant some consistent. Turns out it's seasonal, real convenient. Shows up early when it's easy to show, disappears right when it's time to hold. Real reliable system till you apply weight, then suddenly everybody gotta recalculate. Like we got you, yeah. Pen and review, translation we might, depending on you. I seen scaffolding fold under minimal stress. Temporary fixes labeled best, like trust the process. Yeah, I did for a bit till the process broke down the moment it got here. Funny how help comes structured like a loan, with invisible interest you don't see till it's owed. So I stopped building on anything I can't test. If it don't hold pressure, it don't get invested. No handouts, I don't wait on a save. Seen what it costs when you trust what they gave. Built it myself, I don't borrow the base. If it breaks, it's mine, I don't shift the blame. I stopped asking when the pattern got obvious. Help delay long enough just becomes anonymous. By the time it arrives, I already adapted. Built my way through what never got handled, and that changes your view. You start noticing what actually works and what's just supposed to. Then not what sounds right, not what they claim, but what's still standing when you're at real strain. They call it pride, I call it adjustment. I just stopped trusting inconsistent functions. If it fails every time, it's under load. At some point, that's just how it goes. So I cut dependence out the equation. Less variables, less complication. Not bitter, just clear on what I don't chase. You can't build stable on something that fades. No handouts, I don't wait on a save. Seen what it costs when you trust what they gave. Built to myself, I don't borrow the base. If it breaks, it's mine, I don't shift the blame. Funny how help shows up once it's irrelevant, like I was gonna help, yeah. That's evident. Timing real precise right after it's solved. Strongest support when there's nothing involved. They checking late like it still applies, like effort counts if you just arrive. I'm like, appreciate it, yeah, keep it polite, but you missed the part where it mattered, right? It's almost impressive how consistent it is. Help on delay like it buffers the risk. Show up clean once the pressure is gone, then act like they've been there all along. That's when it clicked, I don't factor that in. Not part of the build, not part of the win. If it didn't hold weight when it needed to stand, it's not in the structure, I don't count it as planned. No handouts, I don't wait on a save. Seen what it costs when you trust what they gave. Built it myself, I don't borrow the base. If it breaks, it's mine, I don't shift the blame. Now I move different, everything calculated. If I need a build, I don't wait, I create it. No external patch for an internal need. I've seen what happens when you plant weak seeds. Got kids watch, I don't explain, I show you what it looks like when you actually control your effort, your outcome. What you decide, not what you expected, but what you applied. I don't reject help, I evaluate first. Some offers look clean, but perform at their worst. If it holds, I'll use it, no ego attached. But I don't rely on what I haven't stress tested and mash at the end of it. Everything traces to me, what I build, what I keep, what I choose to be. No fallback plan in something unstable. I'd rather build slow than depend on a label. It's not pride, it's pattern recognition. With standard, no handouts, I don't wait on a save. Seen what it costs when you trust what they gave. Built to myself, I don't borrow the base. If it breaks, it's mine, I don't shift the blame. If it stands, it's mine. Every line, every phase. No confusion and ownership, no debt to repay.